Welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing the important questions on the nutrition in animals. Now first here see what is nutrition? Nutrition, the process of taking enough food in the body cells for its utilization is called nutrition. What is holozoic mode of nutrition? Animals eating solid whole food, they are called holozoic mode of nutrition. Dental formula. Formula showing various types of teeth and their number in half of the upper and lower jaws is called dental formula. Thecodent. Thecodent means teeth embedded into the sockets or alveoli of jawbone. Teeth embedded into the sockets or alveoli of jawbone is called thecodent. Diffident, teeth which arise in two sets, one primary and one permanent. Means two in the lifetime, two time teeth are arising. First teeth, temporary teeth or deciduous teeth, and the second one is the permanent. Name and define various processes that takes place in the nutrition of animal. Now look at here. Various processes that takes place in the nutrition of the animals are ingestion, taking the food, digestion. Complete food is broken down into simpler forms with the help of enzymes so that body can absorb. Absorption, digested food is absorbed by the wall of alimentary canal into the blood. Assimilation, conversion of digested food into the living products, or it assimilates in form a part of the body. Egestion, removal of undigested food from the body is called egestion. Now the next one here, see, differentiate autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means the animals, the here comes only all green. They can make their food by themselves with the help of the photosynthesis. All plants are green plants are autotrophic, heterotrophic, which are not able to make their food by themselves. They derive nutrition from the plant or the plant products or the animals who depend on plant. Parasites are those organisms which depends upon the other living organism for their food. Parasites are those which live in on the other organisms for their food. Saprophytes are those organisms which obtain their nourishment from dead and decayed organic matter of plant or animal, which obtain their nourishment from the dead and decayed organic matter. Dentine and enamel, see here. Dentine, it is the hard bone-like material that forms the bulk of the teeth. It encloses a space called pulp cavity. Whereas enamel, it is the white shining hard material that covers the dentine of crown of the tooth externally. बाहर जो white चमकदार व्हाइट सब्सटेंस आपको दिखता है वो एनामल है, और एनामल के अंदर डेंटाइन जो बोन लाइक मटेरियल विच फॉर्म्स द बल्क ऑफ द, इसके अंदर एक स्पेस कवर्ड होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं पल्प कैविटी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, मिल्क टीथ and permanent teeth. When we talk about the milk teeth and the permanent teeth, they appear between 6 to milk teeth appear between 6 to 8 months. Permanent teeth appear from 3 to 12 years. Whereas milk teeth, they are 20 in number, and where the permanent teeth, they are 32 in number. Here premolars present, here premolars are absent. Right? Now here see, how can you recognize various types of teeth of men depending upon their shapes and number of roots? See, different types of teeth, they can be recognized. Just see here. First, incisors, they have flat ridge. Canines, they have pointed edge. Premolars, they have 2 edges. And molars, they have 3 to 5 edges. We can recognize the different type of teeth depending upon the shapes and number of roots. Roots, incisors, they have a single root. Canines, they also have a single root. Premolars, they have 3 roots. 2 roots present on the upper jaw, which are present, and on the lower jaw, they have 1 root. Molars, they have 3 roots on the upper jaw, and 2 roots on the lower jaw. लोअर जॉ की तरफ 2 रूट्स होती हैं और अपर जॉ में 3 रूट्स होती हैं. ठीक है. In this way, we are able to recognize the teeth depending upon their shapes and number of roots. Draw VS of lower molar of man and label the different parts. See, this is the molar of man, premolar. They have the same enamel first, the crown, this portion. This is the neck. This is your enamel. This is the dentine. This is the pulp cavity. This is the pulp fluid filled here. These are the gums where they are embedded. This is the neck portion. This is dentine, all traced over here. This is dentine. This is enamel, right? This is the socket. This is periodontal membrane. This periodontal membrane, extension of the DSS, they extend. It helps to hold the tooth firmly in the socket of the jaw. This is the jawbone. This is the jawbone. Write down the dental formula of man, rabbit, and dog. Now see, dental formula of man, rabbit, and dog. Man, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars. And total number of teeth is 32. In rabbit, it is 2033, 1023. This is the upper jaw, this is the lower jaw. 1/4. 2 incisors, canines, premolars, molar. Total number of teeth 28. Now here, this is the rabbit. Dog, 3142, 3143. Upper jaw, lower jaw. These are the incisors. They are the canine. They are premolar. They are total number of teeth present. They are 42. Dental formula of them. Now here, complete the following. Look at here. Each tooth is a hollow from inside containing a cavity called pulp cavity. Teeth in case of fishes and amphibians are polyfident. यानी कि लाइफ में पॉली मतलब बहुत बार निकलते हैं. Molar teeth are 6 in number in each jaw. Dentition in mammals depends upon the type of food taken. Space between the incisors and premolars in the jaw of rabbit is called diastema. Comment upon the statement. Dentition in mammals depends upon the types of food taken. Now see here. Dentition in mammals, look at here. Dentition in mammals depends upon the type of food taken, because in herbivores, canines are usually absent and the incisors are very sharp for cutting and biting. So in carnivores, canines are very well developed for tearing the flesh. Omnivores, they contain all the 4 types of the teeth are present for varied type of the food taken by them. And the next, teeth in man are diphoident. Teeth in man means teeth which arise 2 sets, one temporary, one temporary or deciduous tooth. They appear at the age of 6 to 8 months. They are 20 in number. Permanent, they appear between 3 to 12 years. They are 32 in number. What will happen if there is no coating of enamel in the surface of tooth? They cannot withstand tremendous pressure while biting, crushing, grinding of the food. Name the 3 pairs of the salivary glands present in the man and what is their secretions called. The 3 pairs of the salivary glands present in man, they are parotid glands, submaxillary or submandibular glands, or sublingual gland. And all these glands, they secrete the saliva in the buccal cavity. Now here, given are the figures types of men A, B, C, D. Name the teeth, incisors, canine, premolar. Give the total number of each type of the teeth. We have already told you the total number of teeth. Each type of the teeth. Incisors are 4 in number in one jaw. 4 means 8 in number. Canines, they are 4 in numbers, 2 in each jaw. And premolars, they are 4, 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. And molars, they are 12 in number, 6 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw in man. Dental for 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, total number of teeth present, they are 30. Give one function of each type of the teeth. The function of each type, see, incisors, main function cutting and biting, canines pulsing and tearing, premolars chewing and grinding, and molars, chewing, grinding, and crushing of the food. They are the functions. Now, what will happen? We have already this. Give alongside is the diagram the vertical section of a tooth in mammal. Name the parts number 1 to 8. See, number 1 to 8. Number 1 is enamel, 2 is dentine. This number 3 is the pulp cavity. Number 4, it is the neck. Number 8, it is the blood capillary. These are the blood capillaries. And number 5, they are the gums. Number 6 is the cement. Number 7, this is the cement, and this is the jawbone. Which of the parts are shown in they are non-living? Only enamel is non-living, rest all are living. Is the tooth suited for cutting or for grinding? Cutting, because they had the pointed edge for cutting and tearing, cutting the food. What is the total number of teeth which appear twice in our life in time? They are 20 in number. That is the milk teeth. They appear twice in there, whereas the molars appears only once. That is in the case of permanent. I think everything is clear. Any doubt, anyway, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.